Trace Group Hold plc, creating bridges of trust. I love Trace. This is what the daughter of engineer Daniel Milanovic wrote on her drawing. When corporate culture is based on universal human values that transcend geographical boundaries, it becomes a symbol of change that leads to sustainability and prosperity. Founded in 1993 by Professor Nikolai Mikhailov, who is the majority owner, and listed on the Bulgarian Stock Exchange in 2007, the European company Trace Group Hold actively participates in the construction of important and financially significant projects in Bulgaria and the Balkans. Trace achieves steady growth with its subsidiaries, which bring a modern and international know-how while valuing the local customs. The company is often recognized as a local and valuable asset at the places where it operates. The organization's subsidiaries include legal entities and branches in Serbia, Romania, the Czech Republic, Ukraine, North Macedonia, Greece, and the United States. Trace employs over 1,000 highly qualified specialists. The local workforce exceeds the international one. A good example is Trace Serbia, where out of more than 500 employees, only 4 are Bulgarians. The company operates under a two-tier management structure. The management team's main goal is to continuously develop a corporate culture focused on diversity, innovation, and growth. Trace Group Hold is one of the companies in Bulgaria with the greatest diversification in construction segments, with a main focus on design, construction, reconstruction, repair and maintenance of all type of infrastructure, high-rise buildings, facilities and the preservation of cultural heritage. Railway. Trace executes projects with European funding for the modernisation and the rehabilitation of the railway infrastructure in Bulgaria and Serbia. Engineer Boyan Delchev, Executive Director of Trace Group Hold plc shares, "There is no easy infrastructure project. With teams and people who know what they're doing, no matter how complex the task is, it is always successfully solved. The construction of both an overland and underground railway is proof of this. The appreciation of our work is given by the people. The result for all of us is to reduce car traffic and harmful emissions." Metropolitan. Trace is part of the most successful infrastructure project in Bulgaria of the decade, the construction of the Sofia Metro. In a field of modern underground construction, Trace has gained engineering and management experience, has proven that Bulgarian designers, engineers and builders can construct a metro system by creating precise working designs and selecting the appropriate construction technology. The company has been awarded for its successful execution of the metro stations and tunnels. Highways and roads. Trace began its activities in the construction sector by developing its potential in the field of road infrastructure. The company carries out high-priority infrastructure projects in Bulgaria, Serbia and Romania. Trace has expertise and experienced teams who work in exceptionally challenging natural areas and difficult road sections. Projects with a special purpose. Trace also participates in the leading projects that are specific to the Bulgarian infrastructure. To name a few, the design and reconstruction of the runway at the Graf Ignatievo military airfield, according to NATO standards and the requirements of the ICAO and the STANAG, reconstruction and maintenance of the Sofia Civil Airport and the construction of wastewater treatment facilities and the sewage systems in Bulgaria and the Czech Republic. Urban construction. The experience and quality of the company's work are even more evident when visiting projects completed by Trace, such as the roundabout in Burgas, the western arc of the Sofia Ring Road, the zoo in Stara Zagora, and the restoration of the 150-year-old bridge by Master Kolio Vichito. These projects showcase a combination of planning and management. Trace has received various awards for its projects. Public and residential buildings. Trace specializes in the construction of public, industrial, commercial, and residential buildings, along with the associated infrastructure. In 2014, the Board of Directors made a decision to establish the Trace for People Foundation with the aim of uniting the efforts of the holdings companies in the field of corporate social responsibility. In the execution of infrastructural projects, the Trace engineers and builders adhere to the protocols for reducing carbon footprint, preserving biodiversity, and protecting ecosystems.
Δημιουργικότητα και ελευθερία.
Trace за мен е poštovanje, snaga, vernost.
Devotament, implicare și seriozitate.
Trace за мен е екип, развитие и свобода.